Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the flag commands in Hytale. Make sure to watch the video till the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. All you have to do is first you're going to click on the slash button that is going to be in the chat right here. So make sure that you click on this on the keyboard. Then you're going to give yourself operator mode. So simply type op self. Now you're an op. So once you have that, then click it again. And then from here, all you have to do is to simply press on the O button on your screen. Once you click on the O button, now you have directly turned to creative mode. And so you can just simply double click on the spacebar and there you go, now you are flying. And to sprint while you're flying, simply sprint like you're normal, just press shift and there you go. So all you have to do is simply give yourself up. Then after you do that, just press O, and once you click on O again, you're back now in survival mode and you cannot fly. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.